Last one. Last one before holiday. Let's do it. And to those who don't get a speed paint by the time this video comes out, I'll be back on the 19th to do more, but the rest of you will get sketches. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, last one before holiday. Or... Yes! Yes! Oh, yes. Okay, so context. Venre is one of my new friends who's like also a huge Mononoke fan, so this is gonna be great. Sorry for the loudness.